Hey guys, welcome back to the second half of the Colorado deer hunt we did last year. Here we spent 4 days on the mountain, maybe it was 5 days. I saw a ton of deer. Here I'm just walking along the edge of the private property. I'm on public property here. Seen a ton of deer. Here's some sheds we picked up. We weren't even looking for sheds, but found quite a few sheds.
Nice. Sweet. Booyah. A little chalky, but better than not finding one. Yeah. Hey, check that out. Three-point. Tips were in the mud. It's cold. It's very cold. Very cold. Got my shooter buck. 500, and I think it's 50 yards. Got a range finder still. Let me show you. He's got to cross that fence. Jump. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Here. Oh yeah. Okay, Dave. There's my four-wheeler up there on the road. From that spot, I glassed up some bucks, and they were 720 yards away, something like that. And so I snuck down here into this spot, which is like 120 yards closer. And now this is my little hideout. And they were gonna cross over the fence onto public ground, and I rolled out here to adjust my gun, get it right on them, and then they stopped right before they jumped the fence. And then they went back 20 yards and laid down in the sagebrush. So I'm watching them. Got this little hideout here so they can't see me, and my spotting scope is literally poking right through that. But they're still there. I'm just waiting on them. I've been waiting here for like 2 hours. Hopefully they come out. Okay, Dave, these deer are definitely not coming out. There's a little 3-point that's on public property. I could walk down there, maybe shoot him, but I might even miss him, and then I'll scare away the big deer that's still in there. So I'm just gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave this here set up. Oops. I'm gonna leave my tent here set up, and then I'm gonna take everything except this, and I'm gonna go drive around, because I actually see a lot of deer driving around, and I've noticed after watching these deer that there's a lot of does, but the bucks are always lying down hiding near the does, and they only get up once in a while. So I'm gonna go walk around, gonna go find some bunch of does. You can drive around, and they're all over the place, and then I'm gonna do some walking, and I'm gonna jump a bunch of does hopefully this afternoon, and hopefully jump the bucks up as well with them. And no luck after that, I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna watch this, and hopefully these bucks will come out. But that's the plan for tonight, this afternoon. So I just smoked one. So I saw this deer from way over there, and I saw these. They were it's a pretty big buck, pretty good size shooter for sure. Then I saw some hunters come from on this side, and there was like 10 does with them, and they shot. And I was looking through my spotting scope, and they killed a doe. I don't know if that was on purpose. I don't know if they even have doe tags here in Colorado during third season, but there's a doe on the dead over there. But anyways, this buck came running over here, so I drove all the way around, had to take the freeway a little bit, and then came back, found him, and found the deer, the herd on the side of the road, and just left the four-wheeler running. They were like 100 yards away, and he let me get a good shot. I tried to film it, but just too hard, even though he was really patient, but I didn't get on film. But but he's over there. I saw him kicking a little bit, so I shot him again, but let's go see. He's really tall sagebrush, so I haven't seen him really. There's a bunch of guys coming up here. Better get out of the road. Okay. All right. Not even sure where I hit him, but he didn't go far. Dropping bullets. Let me grab my stuff and we'll head over there. All right. Got all my stuff. Let's go see this. Let's go see this deer. Wednesday. Monday night. All Tuesday. Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday night. Got him. Brandon got a deer this morning. I haven't even seen it yet, but we'll go check that out too. Oh man, this is gonna be awesome. This is a good looking deer. Much better than I thought at first. I thought it was kind of, this might not be the same deer I spotted from over there. This one's pretty good. Oh, that's blood. Oh, there he is. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. Oh, it's a 4x4. Nice. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Beautiful coat. Oh, yeah. Dang it. It's a big body. Nice deer, thank you. Okay, so Russ just shot a spike. I was over here trying to find another deer for him this morning. Yeah, he was the last one to shoot it that had a tag, so I think he just wanted to fill it as soon as he could. So he shot a spike over there. I was trying to find him a big one over here, but couldn't find him one. But let's go see what they got. Well, by the time I got over there, they had taken off all the meat off of the spike deer, and it's just in bags in their four-wheeler, so there's not much to see. But I'll show you the other deer that Brandon got yesterday. So that one's mine. Let's see here. This one's mine, and this one's Brandon's. So he got in a fight, broke off. They're like almost exactly the same size. And then we found these sheds. We weren't even looking for sheds. We found all these sheds. Okay, we got the deer back at the house. So usually I do the gutless method on animals, but thankfully this time I guess we have the whole body, so we can take our time picking off every single piece of meat, and should be great because we have no meat in the freezer right now because the elk hunt didn't go that great for us. But thanks for watching. See you next year.
Bye.